When it comes to choosing the right accounting software, Acumatica Cloud ERP might seem like an appealing choice. But before you make a decision, there are 12 key things you need to know about it that can help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. The first thing to note is its flexibility. Acumatica offers a cloud-based ERP solution, which is great for businesses that need scalability. However, this flexibility comes at a price. It's generally more expensive than many other cloud-based solutions, especially when you compare it to the likes of QuickBooks Online or Xero, which are more affordable for small businesses. Next thing, Acumatica is known for its comprehensive feature set. It offers everything from accounting and financial management to distribution, project management, and CRM tools. This is a plus for companies looking to integrate multiple functions under one system. But if you're just after basic accounting tools, you may be overwhelmed by all the extra features you may never use, and simpler options like FreshBooks might be more suitable. The third thing to keep in mind is that Acumatica is designed to grow with your business. Unlike entry-level software, it caters to both small businesses and large enterprises. However, this can also mean a steeper learning curve, especially for teams that don't have a dedicated IT support system in place. For smaller businesses, alternatives like Zoho Books or Wave might be easier to set up and navigate. The fourth thing is that Acumatica is highly customizable, which can be a double-edged sword. While customization allows you to tailor the system to your unique needs, it can also make the implementation process more complex and time-consuming. Unlike simpler software like Xero or Sage Business Cloud, the initial setup might require more effort and technical expertise. The fifth thing you need to know is the cost structure. Acumatica uses a subscription model based on the number of users and the resources you need, which means the price can quickly escalate as your team grows. If you're on a tighter budget, options like QuickBooks or FreshBooks may provide better value, especially if you're just starting out or have a smaller team. The sixth thing to consider is the reporting capabilities. Acumatica is known for its robust reporting and analytics tools, giving businesses deep insights into their financial data. While this is a major benefit for larger companies or those needing detailed reports, smaller companies may find the built-in reports in other software like QuickBooks or Wave are more than enough. Next thing, Acumatica offers strong mobile support. Their mobile app lets you access accounting data on the go, which is fantastic for business owners and teams that travel often. But if you're only looking for basic access on mobile, this might not be a necessary feature, and simpler solutions like Xero or FreshBooks provide good mobile apps too. The eighth thing is the customer support. Acumatica is known for its great customer support and training, which is crucial when adopting complex software. However, the quality of support can depend on your subscription level. And for smaller businesses, the support offered by alternatives like QuickBooks might be more responsive and quicker to resolve issues. Next thing to be aware of is that Acumatica's software is cloud-based, which means it has great accessibility from anywhere. But if your internet connection is unreliable, this can become an issue, making it less ideal than offline software like Sage Business Cloud for businesses in areas with poor connectivity. The 10th thing is the integration options. Acumatica integrates well with a variety of third-party apps and systems, but integration with your existing tools may require some technical expertise. Software like Xero or FreshBooks might offer more plug-and-play integration with common apps, which is a better fit for businesses without in-house IT teams. The 11th thing to consider is the security. Acumatica has strong security measures in place, but as with any cloud-based solution, it's essential to make sure you're compliant with data protection laws in your region. In comparison, solutions like QuickBooks may offer slightly more basic security, but they still provide adequate protection for small business needs. And finally, while Acumatica is a powerful tool, it might not be the best option for everyone. It's a great ERP system for large businesses with complex needs, but for small businesses or startups, there are other accounting software solutions that offer more simplicity, affordability, and ease of use.